Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add input message in Excel using data validation. So we want to show the message whenever someone select the cell under the email ID column, reminding them to enter the valid email ID. So let's start how it's done. Simply select the range of cell and go to the data tab. In data tools group, click on the data validation option and click on the first option, data validations. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, data validation. Click on the second tab, input message, and just enter your input message. So I enter here the title, enter email required. Okay. Then enter here the message. So I enter, please enter valid email, valid company email ID. Okay. Like example @dtc.com. Okay. And that's it. Just click on OK. Now here you can see when you click on the any cell, the messages pop up, enter email required. Please enter valid company email ID like example @ttc.com. So this is a way the selected cell is message pop up here. So this way you can add the input message by using the data validation in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.